Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Shubham, and today we are going to discuss about the dependency injection types. Okay, in my introductory video, that was the second video of this course. I have informed you about the this architect which you are seeing in my screen right now. Okay, and I have discussed most of the things from it now. And as you are following this video course, and it is important to know about the dependency injection type at this stage of point. Okay, why it is important? Because this will be the thing which will be directly asked to you by your interviewer. Hmm. For this you need to understand that dependency injection types are the basics of three type in nature. Okay, one is constructor based, and the second one which we will be discussing is setter based, and the third one is field based. Okay, so basically there are these three are the most important one, and there are only three in nature by that. So how they are used and what need to be done for them, I will be discussing them one by one. Okay, for today I will be discussing about this field one because this is the least complex one, and it is completely depending upon the annotations. Okay, let me give you a glimpse of it. Whenever you write @autowire, AUTOWIRED, it is known as a field injection. Okay, this is field injection. Nothing, just a fancy name given to @autowire. Okay, that's the thing. And when I say a setter based, this is more often about using of there are getter and setter method, right? So we can use them basically. So when you use a setter method, when you use a setter method in your Pojo, basically your model class, to set any value, okay, setter method, then it is kind of a setter based injection. And constructor base is nothing but you are setting the values using the constructor of the class. Okay, here you will use your constructor. Now the thing is, the question can be asked in this way: which among these three has to be used in real world project? Okay, if the architect is done so well, then Spring and most of the architect prefer constructor based dependencies. Okay, this is preferred. This is written in their uh, official documentation as well. This is preferred. Okay, other two are okay. You can use either of them, but if it is possible, go for constructor based dependency. Okay, these are the three major one, and from in next video I will be providing you one code where I will be demonstrating the whole by making them all of three, and we'll try to make a versus condition for you so that you can make it more reliable for your interview. Okay, and in next video I will also hope that you will create a note for you. You have to create a note for this particular topic, dependency injection type, because this is a major aspect which is asked in interview, so you need to revise it multiple times. Okay, so for all of that and more, head over to the next lesson.